If your kids love animals, we have 3 new Bible printable sets to show you. Each set includes a coloring page to allow kids to express their creativity. Both the animal sets include 50 animals in ABC order. The primary set allows kids to trace and write their letters, and they can learn to recognize the animal names. Our elementary set contains an animal information worksheet. Kids can note the appearance, habitat, diet, and interesting facts in their research of God's amazing animals. This set also includes a Bible verse copy page that goes along with each animal mentioned in the Bible, or a Bible verse to learn about God's creation. There's also a box to draw or doodle the animal using your own God-given creativity. Our third set is all about insects. You'd be amazed at how many bugs are actually mentioned in the Bible. We've included 17 in this printable set, along with the information worksheet and the Bible verse copy page. You will find the ABC animal printable sets and the insects individually, or you can bundle them all together for a great deal. Discover these and more Bible verse printables for kids in our shop and membership, helping you remember the Lord in creative ways.